everyone, this is a video tutorial for paper flower template number M5. Once you receive your package, trace and cut out the petals, one of each size, and the base, which is the leaf. Once you trace and cut out the petals, now we need to shape the petals. Curl the petals inward. Next, what we need to do is to stack the petal on top of each other to form the flowers. Start with your largest petals. Next, take your smaller petals, apply some glue, and place it on top of your larger petals. Now that you finish forming your flower, you need to put it on top of the base. First, apply some glue onto the leaves, and then place your flower right in the center. And gently press it down. Now you have a beautiful flower.